We gave the rest of the squirrel.
Yeah, don't you think I'm hungry? Now we go.
So his mom?
Yeah.
It's a gray squirrel.
Yeah.
John?
Oh, yeah, he's gone. Oh, he's gone anyway. He's done. He's gone. He's gone anyway. Me and your hubby discussed that. Nah.
Climbing.
Climbing to the top of the tree, climbing to the basement.
I got 100 foot.
1 foot. Let me see. Okay. You got something to cut it with? A knife?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I need, a knife. I definitely need a knife. Okay. Twine. I'm gonna get brittle and break.
Right here.
Oh. I love multi-tools.
Yeah. I should have bring one for you. I got a couple extra at home.
Do you?
Yeah.
I love them.
Can't,
handy a lot.
can't give you that one though. That one cost me a lot.
It's okay. I don't want all your stuff, man.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it, buddy. I'm gonna cheap. Honestly. It costs money to live.
My name's Nicole, by the way.
My name's Ralph.
Oh, it's not Ralph.
I was talking to him yesterday. Did he tell you?
No, I didn't get back till late last night. I was at my cousin's funeral.
Oh, okay. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah. So I didn't get back till late last night. Oh, I'm tired.
Yeah, that's heavy duty twine there. It shouldn't break.
Yeah, over time it will because it'll get brittle from weather.
Yeah, but
freezing.
it's gonna last a while.
I gotta get $5, Rich.
Huh?
I gotta get $5.
For what?
I'm gonna get back a cigarette.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I know how that goes. Okay. Stop.
What? Wait a second. Wow, that's a nice one. Did it fold up?
Huh? Oh, nice. That's a nice sticker there. Sticker.
So we need first 2 pieces. One for
Nope,
that tree.
nope, no, we're doing that.
One for that tree.
I got 2 pieces already.
Don't cut. You have to be big around.
Around.
Is this one big enough? Oh, Ralphie boy! You're gonna have to cut it longer. This guy's cutting the rope already.
Hey, he climbed the tree and
I'm thinking this
with
piece,
no nothing.
I'm thinking this. I gotta see this.
Man, look.
You gotta cut me a longer piece for around there. Don't cut too many anymore. We're gonna have to save some.
I figure if I just feed them, they might leave me alone. Can't do that with the rats. They don't give a damn.
Hold on. Hold on.
We got one after we do the back one. We
That
gotta do the
tree
back
and
one
that
first.
tree.
We gotta start at the
Or
back.
do you want the lengthways go this way?
It's cool. It's cool that way too.
Which way? This is the short way, and the other way is the long way. He's holding
Back-
one end
back
of the
there.
short
I
way.
might.
Or do you want the long
open
way?
it up. I might.
You want the long way?
No, we can do it from there to there, and then I just might open this up.
So you want the long way or the short way?
I'll just turn that way.
He wants the long way this way.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. That seems like it's more. Would that fit between the two?
Yeah, it'll be longer than that. It'll go over that way. Okay, grab this other corner, the long corner right there. So it's rich. Okay, now. That's end you want on that little thing
Yeah,
right there.
that's the end on there.
As high as you can go. And then we're going to have to...
Oh, watch this.
I ain't gonna reach out there.
Huh?
Yeah, because we don't want it over the fire because it'll...
And
Or it's still good, you never know.
now, time for a quick roll.
What are we working with?
Ain't never going to finish. Ain't never going to finish.
Try to see this. This is going to be good. You're going to have to get it up high. Don't fall, don't fall.
I'm good. I have enough. I have enough room, son. No. What's this?
Is the rope going to reach all the way around?
What?
Oh, yeah.
I'm a professional. At a professional rate, that'll be $29.95 plus tax. With a $22 circumference charge.
Oh, he's charging now.
Circumference. Is there a surcharge? It's a difference between the tree and the tree. The tree's been set at a different charge.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Now you got to tie the other end. We got 100 feet of rope, so it could reach to that other tree if you want to. The tarp won't, but the rope will. Oh, that's probably pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah, that looks good. I think that's pretty good, Rich. I think it's pretty good.
Talking to an overdo.
Yeah.
He don't do one flip. He does 4 through 5.
Where do you want to tie this in? Do you want to tie it to that tree over there?
No, it's not going to go all the we can.
I know, but the rope will. The rope will. I got 100 foot. Yeah, I say we tie a rope on here and then go to that tree.
Stretch it all the way from here.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Somebody's under there now.
She alright. She'll be alright.
You got this through, right? Okay, you tie her knot. Tie her knot. What you doing? Give you yourself.
Must have been Boy Scouts.
You ain't got nothing.
So it's like you tie your balloon. You're making a big enough knot here. That's the hole.
Ain't tight.
Does he got it tied?
No.
Okay, look at this. There you go. Nothing.
All right.
Alright.
See how it cinches around it?
It's going to be good now. Big train. Hot dogs. There he goes.
Cool. There you go.
He's gonna get run over by the train. He's gone now.
Oh, he ain't. What's this shit?
Chasing him?
I'm right behind him one day.
Is that the one you fed bacon to? He took the bacon? Wow, he's going... Where's he going to?
I don't know. It's probably going to feed.
He could be going to his girlfriend. What do you think?
Well, probably. You home by 10?
He's way up there. I can't see him anymore. He's gone? Oh, man. He got away.
Yeah, I love that shit, man. I filmed it. Is that Jamaica?
Yeah.
Hey, Rastaman, what's up, man?
Straight out with it. That's my fucking high school.
This guy's gonna give me his story.
Yeah.
Hey, who can't go to the store and buy me a cup of ice?
Shit, man. My back's hurt, man. I gotta do all this, man.
He's gotta give me his story. I gave him $5.
I know. I gotta do your story.
You gonna sit in your chair?
No, I'm gonna work while I tell you. I gotta.
Okay.
All right. So, what do you want to?
How'd you get here and what happened?
Well, my thing is, it started with drugs.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So,
What kind of drugs were they?
So it started with alcohol.
Yeah.
When I was a kid, like 11 years old. Then it progressed to weed, then mescaline, then all types of pills. If it got me high, I did it. Then as I got older, I just didn't care. You know what I'm saying? I just did what I did.
Yeah.
I went to prison when I was 16 years old.
Oh, for what?
For burglary, for my drugs.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's 4 years. I did 28 months.
Wow.
My first number was 79B, 1498. So I did September of 79. I got out December 8th, 81. The reason why I remember that date is because that's 1 year's anniversary of John Lennon got shot in Manhattan.
Yeah.
You know?
Wow.
And then after that, it's progress. I just didn't care. I just like, you know, I felt a love with my family, so on and so forth. And like, you know, they was always down to me. And like, you know, I was young then, but I was like the black sheep of the family still, you know what I'm saying? I never got, you know, everybody got what they wanted. And John was like kicked like me. I was kicked to the gutter. So I took my anger out on, you know, myself, which I shouldn't have done. But as the years gone, months and years gone by, and days gone by, I just turned around and, you know, got worse. The coke. You know,
Oh.
I shot up heroin.
Yeah.
Addicted to heroin. I did, you know, I've been through half the United States here. You know, traveling around.
Are you on drugs now?
Huh?
Are you on anything now?
Oh no. I wish I
No.
was, man. I wouldn't be in this much pain.
Yeah.
But no, you know, no, I can't do it. I drink my little beer here and there and do what I got to do.
Yeah.
You know, but it's hard. But as I say, progress. But then as I progressed, I went to I made a phone call, and this guy was going to have people. I'm a carpenter by trade. He was going to he bought me a ticket from New York down to Cleveland, and he put me up a hotel. He said the contracts are not signed yet. When it's signed, you know, then we'll start working.
Yeah.
But like a week later, he says I never heard from him again. I went to the homeless shelter, 2100.
Oh.
And then I started working. I got a rooming house. The next thing I know, I started smoking crack.
Yeah.
That's it. I did it before.
Because you were depressed because of the
depressed
situation.
I paid my rent. I'm top of like, I had everything organized. Well, I paid my rent. This system is called Weekend Warriors, so I would party on the weekend. But that 2 days ended up to 3 days, 4 or 5, ended up to 7 days a week.
Yeah.
Then, obviously, I didn't pay my rent. Got kicked out. Then I met this girl in Mansfield, and she picked me up. I lived with her, and then she was in recovery, and then she relapsed. And I relapsed.
Yeah.
You know, we had a nice little apartment. Then I worked for a place called Blevins, man. I used to evaluate parts for Honda cars.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and then, you know, I'm skipping in between everything because, you know, it's like, you know, I mean, yeah, obviously I got in fights. I got shot twice. Got stabbed numerous times.
Wow.
You know, I got stabbed right here when I was in Rikers Island and all that stuff.
Oh, man.
You know?
That's terrible.
Yeah, it's like, you know, it is what it is. I mean, my story's a long story. I mean, if I go in between everything I did every second of the day, it'll take like 20
How
minutes.
was your childhood growing up?
How was my childhood? It was my father was like 6'7".
Yeah.
He's Italian.
Was he tough?
Well, yeah, yeah. He's just like he don't believe in crying. He don't believe in like
No
you know,
nonsense.
a man is a man is blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? And when I used to fight, my father used to make me fight. I didn't want to fight because I see that when I was young, as 70. But that's how I got tough. My father toughened me up. That's how he toughened me up.
Yeah.
That's why I'm down here now. It's like, you know, I don't want to be down here. Nobody wants to be down here.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? We wasn't born to say, okay, you know, let's get it. About 20 years from now, I want to be homeless and do drugs and drink beer and ha ha ha. No, it's not like that, man.
Yeah.
You know, but I'm doing the best that I can. These guys know me and shit like that. We know everybody here. We get along with everybody.
Doing the best
We have
you
little
can.
disagreements and everything like that, yeah. And, you know, to a point right now, it's like, it's crazy. It's crazy, but I'm doing what I'm doing.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But, I mean, you know.
Do you see a way out of here?
Yeah, there's a way out. This is,
Yeah.
Yeah, look, the main thing is if somebody doesn't do drugs, I do little drugs here and there here, but, you know, because mentally, I in a psych ward here. I attempted to kill myself several times.
Oh.
Because I was so depressed.
Yeah,
I'm
that's not good.
I'm supposed to go to Porter's Path.
I'm sorry to hear
I'm
that.
supposed to go to Porter's Path. I'm supposed to be on medication.
Yeah, I'm really sorry to hear that.
Yeah. And it's like, you know, and you got the scar right there we did many years ago, see?
Yeah.
And it's like, you know, it's like people think it's like, you know, and I got mental issues and shit. You know, I'm not violent or nothing like that, but, you know, certain things, man, I get so depressed I can't even, it's like I'm in a box, a big box, and it gets smaller, smaller, smaller. And I'm like, boom, I can't get out of it. And then all of a sudden I snap out of it, you know what I'm saying? And I had medication that worked, and then I was doing drugs a while ago, and I went to a rehab. The drugs they were giving me, they said it's a mind-altering drug. It's not a narcotic, but in their mind, it's got doctors' minds that we have. And I said, look, if you take me off, it's not going to be good. And I tried to kill myself there. See, I told them, you know what I'm saying?
I'll tell you about prescription drugs. There's good and bad about it.
Of course, yeah.
You know, I'm not going to tell anyone not to take prescription drugs, but, you know, they all have side effects. And, you know, some people need them.
Yeah, I agree with you. Some people do it, some people don't.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But, you know, I know I need them to a certain extent. You know what I'm saying? But right now, you know, I'm going to do what I got to do.
Hey. You going to eat a hot dog?
Not right now.
Oh, okay.
But it's kind of hard for not to do what I got to do. You know, like this right here, this would have been done 5 times and over, but I hurt my back.
Yeah.
Get back for getting out of that thing.
Well,
you know, but it's, you know, if you answer me a question, I'll answer it. Someone might, but someone might not. You know?
Right.
So it's, you know, depending what it is. You know what I'm saying? But train's coming, you're not going to hear one word I said because that train's coming.
I know, that train's pretty loud.
Yeah, it is loud. I think I got to tell me that.
Well, it's nice talking with you.
No, no problem. Nice talking with you. I mean, if you want more, you know, just give me time because I got to, like, you know.
Yeah. The rain's not going to get through that because you got this and this and this. So
yeah, I know. Yeah,
it's not going to get through. That's good. Wow, this train is loud. I get that all the time.
Yeah, but I don't answer.
If I don't know the number, I don't answer.
But yeah.
Yeah, I like the way you're doing this. You're not going to get wet. That's the main thing. Hey, what are you doing with that rope?
I'm gonna make something happen.
Oh, you're fixing it up.
Jump off the bridge.
Oh, did
tie
you?
around my leg. I'm gonna see if I can fly.
Very funny.
spread out. It would be like spread out more.
You got tarp underneath.
Yep.
You got the overhang.
Yep.
Plus, you got a tarp over top. It's no rain ain't gonna get in this.
It's like a little bag you put on the side in there.
Oh, for your garbage?
No, for your like your wallet or keys, whatever.
Okay.
I roll this up like this.
And this is a nice tent.
Then I gotta take this right here. Oh, look at
Oh, put this in the front.
That's what I'm doing. Yeah. Exactly.
Yep.
And watch this. Go like this.
Right up in front.
Not too much. No.
Perfect.
Fold this up now. Start putting stuff in. I'll put the blankets. I got the mats. Plastic mats. I got to take all my stuff out, please. I'll start with this one bag. It's two bags.
Don't you have to put your mat in there first?
Yeah, but I'll put stuff over here. I gotta take stuff off to get to the bottom of the mats.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it.
She's my age.
You young kids.
Yeah. Well, you got all kinds of medicine and stuff too.
No, it ain't messing. Actually, well, the other one. Let's see.
Well, here's another crate you can put stuff in. I'll carry this one over.
Very much. Let's go to the outside. Thank you.
Yep. Plastic bags. Somebody made this. Very nice. They'll last forever.
Yeah. Can I put this in here?
Hey, the more cushion you got, the better.
Yeah, that's what she said.
And then he put his mumbo jumbo. Okay, that's
Okay, I'm ready.
Uncle put
ready?
it up.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Is that thing on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay.
So I'm
Well, my name be William Anthony Lindsay.
so he came down here.
My middle name Anthony.
He said, I'm going to say
Okay.
close the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Never made it back down here.
Well, I was born in '90.
And guess what?
I was my
I ain't
boomer.
gonna go look.
You know, boomer.
Boomer, yeah.
Boomer.
I swear to
Yeah,
God,
before
he
me.
was-
Or after me.
After
I
you.
was, yeah.
David got these. I'm wearing them. 'Cause I didn't
Uh,
got them.
I grew up on 80 East Crozier Street.
Better go watch
right
Crows.
up the way on the other side of the
Take a
jail.
shower.
In Akron?
Yeah, AK Ratty Ratty's north side.
That yesterday.
East
No,
side.
that's it.
Most
So
east
that's
side.
Had
Yeah.
that water on.
And
You know how when you get out the shower in the
I went to
at the
Akron
crib,
Public School,
good.
got expelled from
the
there.
mirror be foggy.
That's why I went, what's
How'd
your-
you get expelled?
Must get
I brought a knife to the
No, I
playground.
looked a little
Oh,
back.
that's not a good idea.
Everybody ran
You need to talk to your
away.
boy.
Yeah.
You need to talk
But
to
I was little
I'm
and
trying to tell
warm.
you,
My
if you make,
grandpa
if I
was
get on that
like
grade, how you
four.
gonna piss the fuck up?
Yeah.
I'm
I
not
just
even
threw my
worried.
hands in
I'm
my
not coming
jacket
back.
and I was like,
I'm
oh.
not. I'm
And
done.
He's got a knife.
I'm done being nice.
Yeah.
I'm
And,
done chasing you around the earth.
anyways, I
I'm
went
done.
from
Like I
there
told
to
my
dance
social worker, slap police officer. I went down to see them because
Mhm.
you know, I said I was nervous for I had
And
one or
then
whatever.
board
I just still go
education.
see her and I just feel like
And
my
then
right
I
from my
went to
house.
Coventry.
Okay.
So
And that's
what I'm saying.
where I
On vacation,
graduated
at least
from.
Try with
And I went to Forest Lakes Career Center. Graduated
But-
from there too.
Yeah.
It used to be joint
When you get
vocational
your house
school.
and shit, don't
And now
let-
it's Forest Lakes Career Center.
You know my heart not like that.
I know.
Like that.
That's about it.
I wanted to.
So how'd you get to be homeless?
I was like, oh my God, you
Well-
sounded just like EB.
It was
I was like, oh my God.
They
you
towed my
like
truck.
good.
I was living in it.
Oh.
It sound like you.
Because I be
I was
really
driving without
messed up
license,
because of the
though.
way he treated me, 'cause
Oh, that's
I
how
was
they
so
took
fucking-
it.
'cause
Oh
you know,
my
I'm
gosh.
not doing
So
I got stuff in the rope.
I was non-insured too, and I didn't have any power steering, and my brakes went out.
David always.
Oh my gosh.
always-
In the Circle
I ain't
K
worried about
drive.
people going to
Yeah.
So
feed off of me. Not mad about that. You know what I'm saying?
local
Not mad 'cause
sheriff
that felony,
and them,
whatever. That's his shit. So
they
I
said,
never.
What is that on your
"What's wrong with you taking this truck
You
apart
buy me
in this parking lot?"
shit?
I was like,
I was
"Well."
about to make your ass go to the
I just walked up to Advance and got brake pads and walked back with my dog, and
I love him though.
I was going to put them on his caliper
Yeah.
and rotor.
How was that?
And they told me to put my tire back on.
With food?
So I said, "Yes, sir." Could you kick me my lug nuts? So they kicked me my lug nuts, and I sat right there taking my good old time, putting them on by hand, real slow, looking at them.
Yeah.
I'm like,
And they still took your vehicle.
yeah. They said, "You got anybody to call?" I was like, "Yeah, call my mom."
If I find I did it,
I said, "I need a better jack,
get some of my mama's hoodie.
and I need another four-way,
Because he hid it.
and I'll be
He
back
still
tomorrow."
about it, and he gonna
When
tell
I
about
got
it. But I
went back,
be-
called him
he
in
hid my
advance
stuff in
before I
some
showed
other-
It was
up.
gone.
Gone.
But
I'm
I
like,
can't-
dang it,
because David, I don't know if he's lying to you. I know I did.
homeless.
That sucks. Yeah.
I was going to go stay at my
I'm
mom.
walking.
Why
My mom
would
been with
I,
the guy said turn left.
inconvenience my mom?
All my stuff.
Yeah, but your mom would be happy to take you in, wouldn't she?
No.
No? She's not happy about that?
Oh, she
Yeah.
probably is.
I was about to remember he said.
I mean, why would I?
So I ain't got to hit you with my mom anymore.
Why would I stay there
But
and upset my mom?
if I find out,
Yeah.
I live the way I live.
Right.
Normal.
You would have to go by her rules.
I told you.
Yeah.
And I ain't lived there since I was about 17.
Yeah.
I popped in a couple times, popped out.
Yeah.
And
So I was going with him. And
the way I see it, I'm a grown ass man. I can take care of myself.
Right.
You want to be a test?
Outside or inside.
I think your hot dog's about done.
No.
It's pretty charcoal on one. It's pretty good on one side. Oh, okay.
He's alright.
Now, we'll be friends.
You're cooking it perfect.
Hey, what's good?
I'm always love David. You always come from
Oh.
You made me cut my own kid. You say, okay.
cigarette bite.
That's how I really care about.
Hold on. Let me tell you.
Okay. You got a good story?
Hold on. I'm gonna leave that for the dog.
All right.
I'm gonna go across the way and say what's up. That's what I do. My
Yeah.
name's Will.
Will?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where there's a will, there's a way. That's my name. True story.
Yeah.
Middle name Anthony, but you can say Anthony.
Anthony.
Anthony Montana.
Yeah.
Or William Anthony Lindsay.
You're Italian.
Well, my last name's Lindsay.
Lindsay.
Yeah, I got a tattooed on my rib cage over here.
Okay.
I did it on purpose on my collarbone.
We the same
But-
time. And the day before accident.
It wasn't until now that I did it on purpose.
Yeah, that's.
I'm
Yeah.
saying,
That boy left me outside.
It is what it is. Oh.
Imagine.
You're pretty good at flipping that.
Well, it was a long winter.
Yeah.
And I was just walking down the road like,
Very got that. Yeah.
All right.
yeah.
I'll make my girlfriend come and help clean up.
Hey, you did that, yeah, I do.
As the mayor of the community,
What do you say, Mayor? Could I bring her?
as the mayor of the community, this is a suggestion. I'm not trying to tell you to do. Have your community.
Every. Hey, Will.
Take it to him.
Will. You forgot your money. Yeah. It's 15 cents. 15 cents. It's right here.
Uh-oh. This right here?
Yeah. It's probably real hot.
And maybe not.
Whoa.
There go your fingers.
Oh no. I'll catch y'all later.
All right. See you later.
Yep.
Stay out of trouble.
What?
Stay out of trouble.
That's my middle name.